Hey guys, what's up? So Toby's trying to use the name tag feature on Instagram. It's new. It came out October 4th, which was as making this video, which was yesterday. So you guys want to make sure your Instagram is up to date, has the latest version. Once you guys do that, open up your Instagram, go to your page, go to your profile on the bottom right, and if you brought here, you just see three lines on the top right. So if you do not have these three lines on top right, probably means that you just not got the update yet. If you update your device, it's on latest versions. Update will come to like every device at a different time. It could take a couple weeks, it could take a couple days. So just be patient, and you will get this update. But if you already have it, you can move on. So what you want to do is tap on it, and then tap on, you see name tag, and basically your friends can scan your name tag to follow you. So basically your friends will get their Instagram account, and they will scan yours, and they can follow you. You're just going to change the color. So you basically tap, and you could tap here to scan a name tag, and press and hold on a name tag using the story camera. So you press on scan a name tag, and it's going to scan the name tag. So that's one way of doing it. And you can just tap on the color background. You can change the color, which is really cool. Also, guys, you can tap on color and change it to the emoji. So it's really nice and cool. So you change to which emoji you want in the background. Also, you can do a selfie. So you tap on that, take a selfie, and there's the color one. So if you guys do this new feature, I think it's really cool. It makes it a lot more easier adding people on Instagram, kind of like what Snapchat does. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.